Hi YouTubers. Hi.
Fearless.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know. I've been away for a very long time. Now I'm here with you guys. A new year, a new me, a new YouTube, a new channel, a new everything. No. Okay, yeah, so I'm back now. Like seriously back. So this year is going to be different. I'm going to. It's not really different, but I'm just going to do the same thing I do all the time: vlogs, tutorials, makeup tutorials, and all of that. So yeah, let's cut this short. Yes, so I'll be going ahead to create this eyeshadow look right now. Once I achieve this look, go ahead to watch and please subscribe. It's long I've said that. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe means a lot to me. Let's get right into the video. So sorry guys. So sorry guys. I thought I was recording I was trying to do my brows and I was talking. I didn't know that it was not recording. So I already draw my brows. Let's move on. For my next video, I'll do a separate video when I do my brows. Yeah, and God has been so good. As I was saying before, God has been awesome. I don't know if I can live my life without Jesus because I don't know how people do it. I don't know how people do that. Jesus was just all my source last year. I'm so grateful to God for showing me His loving kindness. I'm going to use this palette from Golibe and Ezekiel Cosmetics, the concealer palette. So I'm just going to quickly um, clean up my brows. I'm using this shade here. Yeah, and God has been amazing. God has been good. I'm just so grateful for last year. Last year I got to work with some brands. The second thing is I started working with Ezekiel Cosmetics early last year, February. I'm filming this in June 30th. So, and it's already 3:40. This time 3:48 a.m. I have deadline, so as I have to do this video, and I want to be consistent. Yeah. So I promised myself I'm going to be consistent in a lot of videos, and I'll do a lot of videos. Like you guys, just get ready for me. So let's move on now to let's do the eyes. So I'm going to be using this Beauty by AD Lost Skin Concealer in Bad 001 to prime my eyes. Another thing that I've been away is school. Okay, so school too is there, and this year is my final year in school. Ah, I'm just praying to God that should help me out. Let's from Leader Stanley and Ezekiel Cosmetics. I'm using this palette. I'm going to use this green here. I'm just going to apply it on my lid. Oh, I forgot to set my face before going ahead. So I'm using to set my face using this setting powder from Ezekiel Cosmetics in Banana. In fact, some people always forget the inner corner of their nose. Don't forget that too. I worked with international brand last year. You know, when God wants to help you, it will definitely do. I think this one is more sharper than this one, so I'm just going to cut this, and it will be it. These are so out. Okay. I want to use this neon shade from Oveda Beauty. I think I should use the black. So I'm going to use this black here. Oh, let me use this. I mix these two together. It's been a while I drew something like this. I've not done this in a while. Let's give everybody should give. So I'm going to use that green. I'm going to use this now. I miss YouTube a lot. I remember when I used to do it back then, like a lot of times. I can still remember very well when I used to do this a lot. I don't know why I stopped creating content on YouTube. Because I just moved to Instagram straight. And adding a lot of social media handles is a whole lot. It just stresses someone out. And anybody can have the time to be stressing. This shade, yes. So I'm using that shade and just tap it like, yeah, like so. Let's move on. This will give me after attack. This mirror almost fell down. Like that's. Let's move. So I'm going ahead now to do my under eyes, and I'll be using this same brush. I'm going to use the let me use the yellow, this one. Oh, sorry, this yellow here, right here. I don't want to use green, so I'm going to go over my eyes. I wish I have like a yellow pencil. This is the so let's. I would go in that um green because that yellow is not really showing. So I'm just going to maybe the yellow, just a little bit of it. So I'm using this Ezekiel Cosmetics Make Me Blush palette to contour. But before I go into contour lashes, I'm going to use this Lash Obsessed from Ezekiel Cosmetics. Coat my brows, to coat my lashes rather. So I'm using my compact powder palette from Blood Cosmetics. I'm just going to apply this and just set all of my face, the white powder in to my skin. Like this is the best thing you could ever do. Like this, when I got this app, I was so happy. Like definitely so happy. Like it just changes your. Sometimes when you get a certain powder, it does not really blend into your skin like that. You know, so Using this helps and it goes a long way. Like really does. See, I'm not worried anymore. I was worried before. Uh, I am not worried anymore. Like it just did the perfect job. Period. So I'm going ahead now to use the You Make Me Blush palette from Zika Cosmetics. On the shade here, contour my cheekbones, my nose area. I just want to sleep. Let's go to my bed and sleep. But I must stream this video right away. For my people, I miss YouTube. Love blush. This too. I use this too most of the time. So let me quickly go ahead. I'm going to set my face now. I'm using the Zika Cosmetics spray. Um, so I'm going ahead to use this Zika Cosmetics Gen Z um, compact baked highlighter. Yes, softly. Another simple, straight to the point. I'm going to use these lashes to put my under eyes. Let me quickly do my lips and I'll be right back. I'm back. I'm gonna fix up my lips. Hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give it a like, share, comment, share this video to your friends if they find this interesting. We're almost getting to 1K followers. Can you believe that? If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Bye. See you in my next video.